checking out the equipment. It's still there, baby. Checking it out. Yeah, it's still there. Baby boy still has all his balls. And his little weenie.
Oh.
My goodness, Finn, you are thirsty. You're a thirsty bird, huh? Drink it up, drink it up, drink it up. Someone's gonna piss all over the house. Yay!
Is she like stalking him when he's out?
Who?
Is she like stalking him around?
No, she was actually playing tag with him before. It was hysterical. She'd run after him, he'd back up, then he'd charge her, and she'd back up. It was hysterical. They were having fun. They were having doing fun. Doing fun. You can drink faster. You smell where the chip went in, huh?
Kayla.
She smells where the chip went in. The needle with it.
Oh, he's chipped?
Yeah, sure, they're all chipped. Yeah, write his number down. That's me.
Hi, Kayla. Hi.
My goodness, Finn.
Hi,
You're
Finn.
gonna have a bellyache.
Hi, Finn.
Say hello.
Hello.
Mommy wants to clean your mouth.
Aww.
Oh, Logan, Danny, John, of course. He's a crackle. You gonna go outside, little man, and pee? Can I make a pinkle? Take a pinkle?
He's
Come
still
on,
drinking.
Jeez.
Hi, Finn. Finn.
He doesn't know his name yet.
Oh, he doesn't know his name.
No,
He's
you
still
know,
a
the guy
youngin'.
just got it. I mean, for up until now, he didn't know.
Is that what the
his name
owner
is.
named him?
Yeah, well, he says, well, I think I'm going to call him Moose. And Beth goes, no, not Moose. Go outside.
Just weird.
Finn, come on, baby boy. Finn, where you are. Now you know where you're going. You're going to pee. Come on. Let's go outside and piss. Like all the big boys do. Yes. All the big boys are doing it. Yes. Come on. Come on, let's go.
Hi,
Come on.
Finn.
Come on, baby, let's go. Come on. Let's go, Finn. Come on, Finn.
You don't wanna.
I know he doesn't, but he's better. Yay.